Hello students, welcome to Excel Maths, and here we are having the second lesson for expanding bracket. So second lesson, that means the second type we're going to be discussing. And what the second type is, type 2, that says you have first bracket positive x plus 5 but the other bracket negative x minus 2. So how to solve this out? What we did earlier, we will be having the same method applied. You will be taking the first term from the first bracket and drawing the arrow which is pointing to the entire bracket like this, and then this is plus 5 second term and pointing towards the entire bracket. Okay, what does that mean? X times x will multiply to the entire bracket, which is x, x minus 2, then your plus 5 times x minus 2. Okay, right after this you get a single bracket expansion. That's really easy, no? So what we're going to do in here, x times x, that gives us x squared, then x times minus 2, that gives us minus 2x. Similarly, a positive 5 times x gives us a plus 5x. A positive 5 times minus 2, that gives us minus 10. What do we get in here? X squared minus 5x plus minus 2x plus 5x. So minus 2x plus 5x gives us 3x, a positive 3x minus 10, right? And that is what your answer is. Let's do the shortcut. What we have in here, x plus 5 the first bracket, x minus 2 the second bracket. We're going to be writing x squared. Okay, you will take the first number and the second number. So the first number is 5 and the second number is minus 2. So what's 5 minus 2? That's 3, right? A positive 3x. Why positive? Because it's a positive 3, no? Okay, 5 times the other number, like these two numbers, just multiply them. That gives us minus 10. So just write minus 10 there and see the same answer. That is to just cross check your answer. Hope that makes sense. See you soon in the next